Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yun?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
Hindi, binanggit mo rhetoric eh.
yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr.
Dali
Chair.
lang. Pinanggit kanina eh, ni Congresswoman Luistro eh. Pinakita sa iyo yung video eh. Nakita ron, naubos ko talaga. You were not referring to you were referring to the statement of the former president. And you said it is just rhetoric. Rhetoric lang ba yun? I'm just asking.
Yes,
Is
Mr.
that rhetoric, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Sa'yo. Sagutin mo ako. Yes or
Chair.
no, is that rhetoric?
Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi ni Presidente during that time was in Dumoy.
My goodness, you're impossible.